It's Tommy here at Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a vegetable smoothie. Now it can be a little bit tricky to make a vegetable smoothie in the Vitamix as opposed to using a juicer. You know, they make celery juice, carrot juice. So it's a little bit tricky. If I put my carrot in, I'm just going to get a chopped carrot. Okay, same with the celery. So I need to thin it out. So I'm going to put in some fruit. But really great recipe for kids, this recipe. You know, if you want them to have some vegetables, or even for adults, of course. Easy way to get some good vegetables into your daily routine. So I'm going to put in 2 whole apples with the seeds, the stem, the peel, the core, 100% goes in. I'm going to put in a whole orange. So the orange, you know, is packed with citrus, it's nice and juicy, which is going to balance out the carrot, the celery, the beetroot and the ginger, all that hard fibre. So you just got to keep in mind of balancing that out. I'm going to put the whole orange in. Even the pith goes in, there's a lot of goodness in there. I'm going to put in a whole lemon. I'm going to peel the lemon. You can use the peel if you like. It's very bitter, I'm not going to. You know, it's going to spoil the flavour of this recipe. Whole lemon. In it goes. I'm going to put in a small carrot, okay, I don't want to overdo it. Half a stick of celery. With the ordinary blender, those strings will get wrapped around your blade, not a problem for Vitamix. I'm going to put in half a large beetroot or just a small beetroot. I have peeled that, and just a little bit of ginger, all right, not too much or you're going to overpower it. It's going to be really strong in there. And then I'm going to put in, what have I got here, about a cup of water, in that goes, and a little bit of ice to keep it cold. So about a cup of ice, that looks pretty good. I'm going to lock my lid into place. I'm going to get it up onto high speed, just on a manual setting. I'm using the Vitamix A3500, the top of the line Vitamix model, and away we go. I might add a little bit of water if I need to. If it's too thick, I'll add a bit of water. Okay, here we go. So I've let that run for about 75 seconds, so anywhere from 60 to 90 seconds. You need to let this run. Just because of those hard fibers of the ginger and the beetroot, I need to break those down. Smell that beautiful lemon and beetroot coming out of there. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to pour some of that out here. That looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that, how smooth that is. Try some of that. Cheers. Absolutely beautiful. I probably could have put a little bit more ice in there just to make it a little bit colder, but that's nice and smooth. Kids are gonna love it. Happy blending.